Namaskar, my name is Resha and I welcome you all to Yogi Pathshala. Most of us must have heard about Shatkarma, also known as Shatkriyas. Now in today's series, I'll quickly give you a bird's eye view on what is Shatkarma or Shatkriyas. They are the most essential part of Hatha Yoga, the body purification. So basically, we have 6 Shatkriyas. First is Neti, second is Dhoti, third is Basti, fourth is Noli, fifth is Kapalbhati, and sixth is Tratak. So in today's series, we're going to demonstrate Jal Neti, which is a variant of Neti. We've got 2 variants of Neti. First is Jal Neti using water, and second, the most advanced form is Sutra Neti using string. Today's series, we're going to demonstrate Jal Neti, and then we're going to demonstrate the remaining Shatkriyas to you. Thank you.
Namaskar, I will be doing Jal Neti today.
So for Jal Neti, you can do it in 2 ways. You can do Jal Neti while standing. For while standing, you need to have almost 1 feet's gap between your legs, and you have to bend in a certain direction so that you don't end up spilling water or dripping water on your clothes. In today's series, we'll be performing Jal Neti while sitting. For Jal Neti, we need a pot, a Jal Neti pot, which is easily available in the market, or you can order online also. Then we need a large vessel for the cleansing. We need a napkin, and we need lukewarm water with salt in it. Now for 1 glass of water, you have to add almost 1 teaspoon of salt, or maybe a little more than that. Let's start. Pour half the pot with the lukewarm salt water. Then you have to bend in a certain angle, and you have to insert the nozzle of the pot in one of your nostrils. And you'll see that from the other nostril, the water will start dripping, which further clears your nasal passageway. You have to keep breathing while performing Jal Neti from your mouth open. So now once you are done with one nostril, you have to sneeze like almost 5 times from one nostril and 5 times from the other nostril. Now for the next nostril, you have to perform the same process. You got to repeat the same process. This is how you cleanse your nostrils. So that was the demonstration on Jal Neti. Now let's move to our experts. We at Yogi Pathshala are fortunate to have such experts giving their feedback and explaining the Shatkriyas in detail. So I would like to welcome Ma'am Neelavati in the house. She is a yoga pandit and a yoga professor. She has also worked as a naturopathy doctor at Yoga Vidyadham from the year 2002 till 2005. She has also judged several inter-school yoga competition at the state and national level. She has also been a district coordinator of National Naturopathy Organization. She has been a yoga coach and a team manager of Nandad Yoga Association. I would like to welcome Ma'am Neelavati, who is a secretary of Green Yoga and Naturopathy Trust. Ma'am, I would like to ask you that what benefits do we derive from Jal Niti? And yes, what precautions one should take while performing Jal Niti? Over to you, Neelima ma'am.
Hari Om. I am indeed happy to be here today in the experts panel. It's my pleasure, it's my privilege to be associated with 40 plus healthy lifestyle, which is meticulously spreading awareness about yoga. I would like to thank to everyone in this who is connected with this organization. Thanks. Jalaniti. As we know, the Jalaniti is the process of cleaning the nasal part through the both nostrils. Because of this, a balance is brought about between the left nostril and the right nostril. And considering the left brain hemisphere and right brain hemisphere. Also, including a state of harmony and balance throughout the body. It has a cooling and soothing influence on the brain, so it is very beneficial for treatment of migraine. It alleviates anxiety, anger, depression. It removes drowsiness and makes the head light and fresh. Jalaneti relieves muscular tension of the face and helps everyone to maintain a fresh and youthful appearance. Jalaneti removes mucus and pollutants from the nasal passages and sinuses, allowing air to flow without any obstructions. It helps prevent and manage respiratory tract diseases such as asthma, pneumonia, bronchitis, and pulmonary tuberculosis. It helps to relieve allergies, cold.
I would like to express my gratitude and sincere thanks to Ma'am Neelavati for giving us such valuable information on Jalniti. And yes, viewers, keep watching. We are coming up with a series of Shatkriyas, their demonstration, and the expert comments on it.